What's going on? This is Markie Williams. Welcome to my channel, Online Certification Courses. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. Enjoy the tutorial and all the links will be down in the description below. Please make sure you like if this tutorial was informative. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any training courses you may want to pick up. Comment below as to what you'd like to get certified in and I can send you a link personally to check out. So let's get started. In this online CISSP certification course, I will go over and break down what it consists of through this tutorial. The Certified Information System Security Professional, better known as CISSP, is a globally recognized credential of cybersecurity experienced professionals. CISSP covers a wide range of security domains, which will include security and risk management, asset security, security engineering, and more. There will be a link down in the description below that will bring you to the course and the full syllabus as well prior to purchase. The CISSP course will go over security and risk management part 1 and 2, which will have a total of 11 topics to go over. The subject matters it will touch will be as security, government principle, compliance and requirements, legal and regulatory issues. The skills you will learn will be import, export, control, security control, framework business, impact analyst or BIA, countermeasure selection, and much more. There will be 4 topics on communication and network security, where you will learn micro-segmentation, endpoint security, and virtualized networks. When it comes to software development security, there will be 5 topics which will help you learn development methodology, software configuration management, and security of application, programming interfaces, or API. The CISSP online training certification course covers a wide range of industry-level security risk, such as infrastructure security and risk management enterprise, identity and access management, security operations, and disaster recovery. When it comes to offering practical experience in certified information system security professional training, we'll go through real-world projects to help the learner build a robust portfolio for prospective employers. The course content is completely aligned with the ISC2 official CISSP training with frequently updated resources to keep you ahead of the competition. When it comes to a deep understanding of all aspects of information security, including risk management, network, and communication security, a CISSP certified professional is the individual who will play a critical role in ensuring the security and privacy of an organization, asset, and data. Just to name a few, such as information security governance, risk management, asset control system, network and telecommunication security. When it comes to the career in information system security, your certification will cover some of the fields of work, such as security analyst, security consultant, network security engineer, security manager, and IT director or manager. There's so much more information to go over when it comes to this online certification course, but you'll have to click on the link down below in the description to fully go over what the additional subject matters that it covers and more. Many thanks for taking some time to check my tutorial out. All the links will be in the description below. I also have a website up and running, which is also Markie Williams Online Certification Courses. Please subscribe so you don't miss out on any training certification courses you may want to pick up. Comment below "done" and I will reply back. You can check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams, and there I also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out the thumbnails as well floating around right here. Always remember to get paid your worth. Many thanks. It's Markie Williams, and I'm out.